Okay, let's go over week one now, just to give you an overview of it. And really, it's how the class generally works. The thing that's a little different this week is this orientation quiz is due on the 10th. Okay, your intro video is due on the 14th, but this is your attendance item. So this is the thing you want to make sure is submitted by, and you'll have content in here, and I'll show you in a minute, showing you that you have to submit your video by Wednesday night in order to get the attendance and to get all the points for this item. But your replies, and that's why the 14th is listed here, is due by then. If you are submitting after that Thursday morning when I've looked at them, I do take off a few points. So make sure whenever we have a discussion, you're on that. You're getting that done on time. Okay, so let's go look at the overview. All right, so this is what I talked about. There is a video for this for showing you how to create and post this content, right? And so this is what I was talking about, right? You as far as when you want to post it. You do want to be clear because this is the way we get to know each of us, right? So clearly state your name, how you'd like it pronounced. If you have pronouns you want us to use, like for me, she, hers is totally great. And then you don't have to do that, but just your name, the way you'd like it pronounced is helpful. And then I'll walk you through how to upload to the cloud and then share a link. Okay. So this is what I was saying. It needs to be posted by 124. So it can be viewed beginning on Thursday and then post your 2 replies for full credit. Okay. So that's where this can get a little confusing because the intro is going to say the 14th, but it's actually due for full points by then. And then oh, actually, the orientation quiz is here is by Thursday. This is the one that's a little out of order this week. So then you'll have the operating systems and the research topic. Now, this one has 2 videos for it, so I'm not going to go over that one. When you get there, you'll have content for that. But what I do want to talk about, and I'm going to hit next here, is here's your orientation quiz. You can look at syllabus. Basically, you can take this multiple times. This is a way also that we help you understand some key things about this class. So you take the quiz and then you're able to move on. Okay, so this is one of those items that you have to, and let me come down here, right? You have to complete this with the check mark before you can move on to the next one. Okay, now on the operating systems, and this is a PDF for the topic of operating systems. And then here are videos, and these videos then have associated quizzes. So the way the weeks are laid out might seem a little interesting when you first see it. But the reason these PDF, and these are longer documents that are intended for you to, I would say it depends on your level of knowledge. Reading them would be a good idea, browsing them. But what will happen is towards the end of the week, or on the 14th here, as far as terms of what's listed, this will be the quiz, and this is what the icons are for quizzes. That's what that means. That quiz will be over the operating system content. Okay. So I think we give it here early for you to have a chance to consume it before you get to the actual quiz. Now these videos are from ACI Learning, and then here are quizzes. These are shorter quizzes. These are like 7 points. I think this is the number of questions. It might have some questions that are worth more points in there. So you watch the video, take the quiz, watch the video, take the quiz. Watch the video, take the quiz, and then this video will be from that PDF, as I've said before. And then the last item that you'll have is where you select a topic and do research. So there's a lot this first week that you need to get done, and this is the idea of, and I will release the course, I will have released it early to give you a chance to make sure you get started as soon as possible. So just to clarify, so where it says submit, you have to submit that. Contribute means you have to contribute your video. Remember, it says the 14th, but it's really by the 10th. And then here are the due dates for the rest of them, and you can see these are all submit. So these are just view. So in order to get the check, you just have to view those in there. So that's the way these weeks flow. I hope this at least gives you a feel for this. That way you're not spending a lot of time trying to figure out why is it listed or what do I need to do next. It's in sequence, so you move through it in that way. All right, get started. Have a great week. Talk to you later.